Okay, today we are going to find the radius of the base of the cone that is formed from a sector. The sector is 216 degrees and the radius of the sector is 5 cm. That sector is bent to form a cone. Now we are going to find the radius of the base of the cone. This is the sector, 216 degrees. The radius of the sector is 5 centimeters. This sector is bent to form a cone. If you look at it very well, you will discover that the arc of the sector automatically becomes the circumference of the base of the cone. The radius of the sector automatically becomes the slant length of the cone, which is 5 centimeters. What is the radius of this? We don't know. The height of the cone, we don't know. But from the question, we are asked to find the radius of the base of the cone, which is R. So it is given that length of arc of this sector is the same as circumference of the base of the cone. The length of arc of the sector is the same as circumference of the base of the cone. And what is length of arc? Length of arc is given as theta over 360 times 2 pi r. What is circumference of the base of the cone? Circumference of the base of the cone, that is circumference of a circle, is 2 pi r. If you look at it critically, you discover that the radius of the sector has automatically becomes the slant length of the cone. So how do we do that? You find that something is common. This 2 pi is common, it will go. So what we now have is theta r over what? 360 equals to what? R. Where this r is the radius of the cone. And this r is the radius of the sector, which automatically becomes the slant length of the cone. Therefore, radius of the cone becomes theta m over 360, which is, my theta is what? 210. My slant length becomes 5 over 360.